Hey, you, come here. No, I mean, really, come here. Do you want to use Fusion and keep your data stored locally instead of on the cloud? Or have you ever accidentally uploaded controlled data to the Fusion cloud?
Is this a setup?
No, I would never
This
do
is a
anything like
setup.
that.
No, it's not. And this workflow just got a whole lot better with this latest update of Fusion 360. Let's dive in and check it out. All right, so the first thing we'll do is look at the standard workflow. We go up here to File, go to Open, open from my computer, choose a step file or another file type that does not have to be translated while bringing into Fusion 360. We'll hit Open. Once the file is opened, we can go about our manufacturing, creating setup quick. We can add a template toolpath. And now that I'm done with the file for the day, what I want to do is go to File and go to Export. And I'm looking for this to say F3D. If this says F3Z, I've already saved the file and broken this workflow and uploaded the file to the cloud. So what I'm going to do here is export this file as an F3D. I'm going to hit export. And now, like I said, I'm done for the day. So I'm going to close this file. Fusion is going to ask me if I want to save it. I'm going to say I do not want to save it. And now I've came in for the next day of work and I want to continue working on that file. I would go to File, Open from my computer. I'm going to choose the F3D that we created. And when I open that F3D file, we'll see that my setup and all my manufacturing is here. So how did this workflow just get improved? The main issue with the workflow that I just did was I'm not able to insert any work holding into this document. If I go into my work holding folder and find device that I want to insert, we'll see that as I insert this, I get this error telling me the design has not yet been saved. Now to save this file, it would upload it to the cloud. So this obviously would break our workflow. Let's take a look at how this has been improved. We can go to File, Open from my computer, pick the F3D file. We can go to Design, open the data panel here. You can clearly see by the star here that this file has not been saved. This is obviously the one that we just opened. I'm going to take this file and drag it and drop it in here. And you can see with this new update, it has allowed us to bring this file in and insert it without saving the document first. Now, if I were to go export this file, it would say F3Z, which is a problem, and it would require cloud translation, and I would have to save it. So to get around that, before we export this file, we just need to break this link. Now that the link is broken, we can go to Export, and we see that it says F3Z. So now we can insert our work holding, do our manufacturing, and be able to export our file still, all without saving the file to the cloud. The last thing to note, and the one thing that is not working yet, is when I go to my setup, if I want to select a machine, I will not be able to add the machine as this functionality has not yet been updated. Hopefully Autodesk can improve this in the near future. So we looked at how to save your data locally instead of on the Fusion Cloud. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And until next time, stay sharp.